Paano malaman ang general formula of a quadratic sequence? Part number 1. Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give humor. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ng sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click subscribe and also click the notification bell. And also, please share this to your friends, classmates, parents, teachers, and to your titas, ates, kuya who needs this lesson as well. Alright? And without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to discuss about determining the general term of quadratic sequence. Ayan. So let's get this lesson started. So first, alamin muna natin kung ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng quadratic sequence. So by definition, quadratic sequences are sequences that include an n-squared term or quadratic term. Ayan. So kaya nga siya, tinawag na quadratic sequence, so you have to expect ng kanyang general nth term ay merong n-squared or the highest exponent would be 2. Ayan. So, you'll know more about this later sa ating mga final answer. So, malalaman ninyo kung anong gamit nitong n-squared na yan. They can be identified by the fact that the differences between terms are not equal. Yung unang differences ay hindi pare-pareho, pero pagdating sa second differences, common na sila. Lahat na ay equal. Ayan. So, let's have example para ma-visualize ninyo kung anong itsura ng quadratic sequence. Same lang siya ng sequence na ibinibigay sa atin ni teacher. Pero, meron siyang characteristic para matawag siya na quadratic. Alright. So, allow me to write down ito. 3, 12, 27, 48. So, kanina nabanggit, merong dalawang differences. First differences, saka second differences. Ang gagawin mo lang dito, yung second, i-minus mo dun sa una, yung third sa pangalawa, yung fourth sa pangatlo. Ganun po siya. Ang pagmaminus, mula dito sa right, papunta dun sa left. So, itong number na to, i-minus mo dito sa 3. So, we'll have 9. Ito namang number na to, i-minus mo sa 27. That is 15. Then, itong number na to, i-minus mo sa 27. The answer would be, this number, ma-minusan mo na yung 27, that would become 21. Alright. So, ito ang tinatawag na first difference. Ito yung unang lumabas nung nag-minus tayo sa mga term, sa original terms natin, sa sequence. Now, ang second difference naman, dito sa ating naging differences, i-minus ulit natin, and dapat daw maging similar, maging the same, maging equal, maging constant. So, 15 minus 9, the answer is 6. 21 minus 15, the answer is 6. Ayan. So, kapag nagpapareho na yung pangalawang differences, ang ibig sabihin niyan, etong sequence na to ay quadratic sequence. Ayan. So, yun naman ang kakaiba kay quadratic sequence. Sa pangalawa siya nagpapareho. Yun lang yun, ang ibig sabihin niya. And sabi doon, i-expect mo na ang general nth term ay magkakaroon dapat ng n squared. Ayan. Yun kasi ang i-work out natin. Paano mapapalabas yung general nth term or general formula nitong ating sequence na yan. Next. 1, 13, 33, 61. Baba ko muna. Okay. So, first differences muna. 13 minus 1 is 12. 33 minus 13 is 20. Minus mo rin ito. The answer would be 28. Tama? Next. 20 minus 12, the answer is 8. 28 minus 20, the answer is 8. Ayan. So, since naging pareho na, etong second difference natin, ibig sabihin ito ay quadratic sequence. Alright. And dapat may n squared sa final answer natin. Alright. So, ganun lang. Kapag ibinigay sa inyong teacher na hindi obvious yung differences nila. So, try to check, baka quadratic yan. At kapag nalaman yung quadratic, ito yung isa sa mga way para makuha yung general formula or general nth term. Ayan. So, let's solve these three problems here. So, let's start with letter A. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, determine the general formula or the general nth term. So, let's have 3, 12, 27, 48. First thing you have to do, ibaba mo muna yung mga numbers. 3, 12, 27, 48. Tapos, gawin yung first difference, second difference, kasi we have to check kung quadratic nga ba yan. Kasi kapag quadratic yan, pwede yung ating process. Pero kung hindi ito quadratic, huwag natin gagawin yung process na gagawin natin ngayong araw. So, let's check muna kung quadratic siya. 12 minus 3 is 9. 27 minus 12 is 15. Then, 48 minus 27 is 21. Okay. Second differences. 15 minus 9 is 6. 21 minus 15, that is 6. Sorry. Okay. Now, quadratic. So, tuloy tayo. Kasi ang process natin ngayong araw ay para lang sa quadratic. Paano makukuha yung quadratic or general formula ng quadratic sequence? Alright, so after you've done the first differences at second differences, mag-focus na tayo sa second difference na to, which is 6. Ang gagawin natin lagi sa second difference, i-divide sa 2. Again, ang lagi mong gagawin, once na makuha mo na ang second difference, i-divide mo siya lagi sa 2. Tandaang mabuti yon. Kung ito ay 8, dapat 8 divide 2. Kung ito ay 10, dapat 10 divide 2. Pero since 6 yung lumabas, that is 6 divided by 2. Lagi pong divisor ay 2. What is 6 divided by 2? The answer is 3. Ayan. Ngayon, balikan natin yung sinasabi ni quadratic sequence. Dapat daw yung term natin may n squared. Ayan. So, dito na to i-eksena. Yung n squared na yan, ididikit mo lang yan dito sa ating quotient. Again, ang unang ginawa natin, differences. Kapag nakuha mo yung second difference, i-divide mo sa 2. Kapag nakuha mo yung quotient, dagdagan mo or dugtungan mo ng n squared. Sa tabi ng 3, nung quotient natin, lagi mong itatabi yung n squared. Tandaan pong mabuti yon. Laging katabi ng quotient yung n squared. Ayan. So, that's the next step. Ang susunod, since meron tayong 4 sa sequence na to, we're going to try paano kung n is equal to 1. Ayan. N is equal to 1 hanggang n is equal to 4. Tatry natin yan. So, kapag lumabas na yung mga sagot, kapag sinolve natin ito, tapos lumabas yung 3, 12, 27, 48, therefore, ito na agad ang ating general nth term, general formula. Pero kung hindi pa, gagawan pa natin ng paraan. Didiskartehan pa natin. So, kapag n is equal to 1, ibig sabihin yung n dito magiging 1. Alright? Squared. Tandaan, kapag naka-squared yung number, make sure nasa parentheses. Kahit anong exponent yan, make sure ilagay mo siya sa parentheses. So, 3. Ayan. So, ang uunahin natin yung 1 squared muna. Ang 1 squared ay 1. Ang common mistake, dyan tina-times agad. 1 times 2, hindi po yan ganon. Ang exponent, sasabihin sa atin kung anong gagawin mo dito sa loob. So, that is 1 times 1. Sabi niya, multiply that by itself. So, 1 times 1 is still 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Alright? Lumabas ba? Alright. Mukhang magandang pangitain. So, 3 lumabas. Next. Gawin natin 2 yung n dyan. Kasi n is equal to 2 daw eh. Corresponding yan. Next. Sabi ni exponent, i-times ko ito sa sarili niya. So, that's 2 times 2. The answer would be 3. Yung 3, doon pa din yan. 4. That would become 12. Tama? Alright, so lumabas pa rin yung 12. So, check natin kung lalabas pa yung 27 saka 48. 3. Tapos yung n magiging 3 naman. Kasi ito daw, sinabi niya n is 3. So, we have 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Wow. Alright. Then last, 3 times 4. Again, in terms dito ha, binabago lang natin yung value ng n. So, yung 4 squared is equal to 3. Ito muna. Ang 4 squared, that is 4 times 4, so we have 16. That is 48. Ayan, so lumabas yung 48. So, ibig sabihin yan, walang kahirap-hirap, walang kaabog-abog, at ang ating final answer. So, that would mean, sir, paano po yung pagsulat ng final answer? Ganito lang. So, for our general formula, a sub n is equal to this one, 3n squared. That is now the final answer. Alright. Ganun lang kasimple. Ganito lang kadali once na lumabas agad yung final answer, yung nasa sequence natin. Pero kapag hindi pa yan lumalabas, gagawa natin ng diskarte or ng paraan paano ito mapapalabas, yung mga numbers na yan. Alright. Sir, paano po yan? Kailangan po namin ng checking. So, kung kailangan ng checking, ganito mo siya i-check. Ayan. Hindi naman laging required yung checking, pero para sa akin, importante ito para ma-check mo rin kung tama na yung sagot mo. Alright? Na-require man ni teacher o hindi, check mo rin. Baka mamaya may konting mali lang sa naging general formula natin. So, solve natin yung 4. Kasi 4 yung sequence, tama? 4 yung lumabas kanina. So, kapag a sub 1, ang gagawin mo lang dito, lahat ng n magiging 1. Ganun po siya. So, ito yung itsura niya. Lahat ng n naging 1. So, una, 1 squared muna, that is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So, lumabas yung unang term natin. A sub 2 is second term. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng n magiging 2. Ito yung itsura niya. 2 squared, that is 2 times 2, magiging 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Tandaan nyo yung PEMDAS, mauuna dapat lagi yung may exponent. Next. Baka kasi ang gawin natin, 3 times 2, 6. 6 squared is 36. Ang layo nun. So, first, ito muna. Itong may squared na yan. Kapag a sub 3, make sure lahat ng n magiging 3. Alright? 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Check. A sub 4, lahat ng n magiging 4. Tapos, solve mo muna to. 4 squared is 16. 3 times 16 is 48. Final answer. Ayan. So, therefore, tama ang ating sagot na a sub n is equal to 3n squared. Ayan. So, let's proceed to number 2. Letter B. So, check natin kung natandaan ninyo yung step-by-step process natin. Ganito lang. First, kuhanin yung first difference saka second difference. 6 minus 3, that's 3. 11 minus 6, that's 5. 18 minus 11, 7. Ayan. Second difference. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Ayan. So, common siya. Ibig sabihin, quadratic to. Next. After mong makuha yung second difference, ano gagawin natin? Very good. I-divide po yan, sir, sa 2. Alright. Laging ganon. Divided by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? The answer is 1. After mong makuha yung 1, anong gagawin natin? Doon na sisingit yung n squared. Alright? 1n squared. Tapos we'll solve for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Ayan. Pero etong 1n squared, pwede rin ito maging n squared na lang. Tama? Kasi naman yung 1, hindi siya makaka-apekto sa product kapag sinolve natin yung n squared. So, pwede na siyang n squared na lang. Alright? Next. So, let's have n is equal to 1. Paano kaya ito? Kapag n is equal to 1, ang mangyayari dyan, yung n magiging 1 lang. 1 tapos is squared. So, 1 squared is 1. Again, 1 times 1 po yan. N is equal to 2. So, we'll have 2 squared. Ibig sabihin nito, 2 times 2. The answer would become 4. N is equal to 3. 3 squared. This will become 9. N is equal to 4. So, we have 4 squared. This will become 16. Ayan. Question. Lumabas ba yung 3, 6, 11, 18? Hindi. Kasi ang lumabas ay 1, 4, 9, tapos 16. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kailangan mo siyang diskartehan. Anong gagawin natin para mapalabas yung 3, 6, 11, saka 18? So, ang didiskartehan natin dito, so, lagay tayo muna ng dalawang column. Tapos, i-compare natin yan. Nilalagay ko sa second column yung mga numbers sa sequence natin. Alright. 3, 6, 11, 18. Anong gagawin natin na dapat pare-pareho para lumabas yung 1, 3, 6, 11, saka 18? Anong gagawin ko sa 1 para maging siyang 3? Ganun ang pagtatanong sa sarili natin. Anong gagawin ko sa 4 para maging 6? Anong gagawin ko sa 9 para maging 11? Anong gagawin ko sa 16 para maging 18? Pero, here's the catch. Kailangan ko anong ginawa ko sa 1 hanggang sa kung anong ginawa ko sa 16 pare-pareho. Alright, try natin. Ang 1 pwede ako sir mag-plus ng 2 para maging siyang 3. Tama? Ang 4 pwede rin po ako sir mag-plus ng 2 para maging 6. Alright. Ang 9 mag-plus din po ako ng 2 para maging 11. Same as 16 mag-plus ng 2 para maging 18. Alright. So once na makapagpalabas ka ng something na common sa lahat, ibig sabihin, on the right track tayo. Ibig sabihin, ang gagawin mo lang dito sa plus 2, idudugtong mo lang siya dito. Yung n squared kanina, hindi yan sapat, magpa-plus 2 ka pa. And therefore, ito ang ating magiging general term or general formula. Kapag sinulat natin yan, formally, we have a sub n is equal to n squared plus 2. And this is now the final answer. Checking tayo. Check natin kung tama nga ba ito. Alright. So again, I'll repeat the process. First difference, second difference, tapos kung ano man yung second difference, lagi mo siya divide sa 2. Tapos nakuha natin yung 1, tabihan mo ng n squared. So in this case, binago lang natin ng bahagya, kasi nga naman yung 1n squared is just n squared. Ayan. Pero kung comfortable ka sa 1n squared, okay lang naman. Doesn't matter. Tama pa rin naman yan. Accepted pa rin naman yan. Ayan. Tapos, after mo makuha yung n squared, solve mo yung n1 and n is equal to 1 hanggang 4. Tapos, ayan, nakuha natin yung 1, 4, 9, 16. Tapos, since hindi siya lumabas agad yung mga numbers, dumiskarte tayo. Anong gagawin natin para siya mapalabas? Ayan. And, we've decided na magpa-plus 2 po sir lagi. Kaya, yung n squared, nag-plus 2 din tayo. And we'll have our final answer. A sub n is equal to n squared plus yung 2. Ganun lang po lagi yung process. Ganun yung diskarte sa pagkuha ng general nth term or general formula. So, checking tayo baka kasi require ni teacher. So, for checking, of course, gagamitin natin ito. Solve for a sub 1 to a sub 4 kasi apat naman yung terms. Now, kapag a sub 1 palitan ng 1, kapag a sub 2 palitan ng 2, kapag a sub 3 palitan ng 3, kapag a sub 4 palitan ng 4. Let's do that. Lahat ng n magiging 1. So, 1 squared, at ayan 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 is 3. Check. Gawin natin 2, yung mga n dyan. 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, check. Gagawin natin 3 lahat. 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, check. Next, gagawin natin 4. 4 squared is 16, plus 2 is 18, check. Ayan. So, therefore, sure na tayo na ito ang final answer natin. Ayan. So, that's it for letter B. Let's go with letter C. 113, 33, 61. So, first, kuhanin ang dalawang differences. Alright? 13 minus 1, that's 12. 33 minus 13, that's 20. 61 minus 33, that is 28. Alright. Minus natin. Isa pa. 20 minus 12 is 8. 28 minus 20 is 8. Ayan. So, since sa second difference lumabas na yung 8, ibig sabihin quadratic ito. Dapat may lalabas na n squared sa final answer natin. Now, since ito ang second difference, anong gagawin nga po dyan? Very good. I-divide sa 2. So, yung 8 i-divide mo sa 2, the answer would become 4. Tapos yung 4, tatabihan mo ng n squared. Okay? Ayan. So, solve natin. Gamit ito, kapag n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. So, ginamit natin yung 4 kasi 4 yung terms. Pero actually, kapag na-master nyo na ito, pwedeng kahit 3 lang. Kasi may mga times na ang haba. Sir, ang dami po ng ng given na number. 6 or 7. Time-consuming na siya. So, pwedeng 3 lang. Anyway, we're just establishing a pattern. kinukuha lang naman natin yung pattern. Kahit nga wala yung n is equal to 4. Pero hindi naman pwedeng dalawa lang. Kasi bago mo masabing yun ang pattern, kailangan tatlo. Na-test mo siya sa tatlo. Alright? So, pero dito sa lesson natin, since 4 lang naman, gamitin na natin lahat. Alright? So, 4n squared, magiging 1 ito kasi n is equal to 1. Alright? 1 times 1, that is 1. So, we have 4. Next, 4. Ito ulit. Yung n magiging 2 na. 2 squared is 4. That is 16. Right? Next, 4 ulit. Ang n magiging 3 na this time. Squared is equal to 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Then 4. Yung n magiging 4. Squared, that is 4 times 16 is equal to 64. Alright. Sir, paano naging 9? Paano naging 4? Paano naging 16? Again, common mistake kasi yung tina-times lang bigla. Minamagic, binibigla lang. Ang ibig sabihin ng exponent times sa sarili, 2 times 2. That's why naging 4 yon. Ang 3 squared is not 3 times 2. Kasi kung 3 times 2, 6 yan. Kasi kapag exponent, multiply by itself. Squared kasi yan. So, ibig sabihin 3 times 3, that would become 9. 4 squared, hindi yan 4 times 2. Kasi lalabas doon ay 8. Ang 4 squared, that would mean 4 times 4. Kaya lumabas ay 16. And we have 4, 16, 36, 64. Sir, ang layo sa mga numbers na ito. Alright, so kung malayo siya, ilapit natin. Gawa natin ng paraan para lumapit siya dito sa mga numbers na to or para makuha niya eksakto yung mga numbers na ito. Ayan. Isipin natin, yung 4 paano magiging 1? Yung 16 paano magiging 13? Yung 36 paano magiging 33? Yung 64 paano magiging 61? Obvious na obvious, tama? Kitang-kita niyo na, for sure. So, ang gagawin dyan, magma-minus tayo ng 3. Dapat kung anong ginawa sa isa, pare-pareho na gagawin sa lahat. Alright, so minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Check natin kung tatama nga ba. 4 minus 3 is 1. 16 minus 3 is 13. 36 minus 3 is 33. 64 minus 3 is 61. Lumabas ba ang ating sagot? Alright, so therefore, yung minus 3, idudugtong mo lang siya dito sa 4n squared. And this would now be our our general formula or general nth term. Ito ang formal na final answer. A sub n is equal to 4n squared minus 3. This would now be the final answer. Alright. So, sundan mo lang yung process. Tapos, sabi ko kanina, pwede yung tatlo na lang. Pwede yung tatlo lang. Kahit wala na yung n is equal to 4. Basta mapalabas mo lang yung pattern dito sa gitna. Alright. Ayan. So, check natin, sir, required yung checking. Sige. Pagbigyan natin, required yung checking. Tignan natin kung tama nga ba. A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4. Kung 1 yan, palitan ng 1. Kung 2, palitan ng 2. Kung 3, palitan ng 3. Kung 4, palitan ng 4. Ganun po ang pag-check. A sub 1, lahat ng n naging 1. Ito muna. PEMDAS. Tandaan yung PEMDAS. 1 squared muna. That's 1. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 3 is 1. Check. A sub 2, magiging 2 lahat. Lahat ng n magiging 2. 2 squared, that is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 3 is 13. Kapag a sub 3 naman, lahat magiging 3 yung n. 3 squared is 9. So, 4 times 9. 36 minus 3, the answer would be 33. A sub 4. 4 squared muna. 16. 4 times 16, that is 64 minus 3 is 61. Tandaan po yung PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Exponent muna. Alright, so ito muna ma-exponent ang i-operate natin. Kasi once na nag-times ka agad, kunyari 4 times 1, 4 squared, 16 na to. 16 minus 3 is 13, so mali siya. Tama? So kailangan, alam niyo pa rin yung idea ng PEMDAS or yung GMDAS. Minsan G ito eh. Alright, so tama, lumabas yung numbers natin sa sequence. Ibig sabihin, this would now be the final answer. Ito. Okay. So I know you are ready now for our YouMore drill. It's your time to practice. So I'll give you 2 items to answer. Alright? So I'll pause for a while now, and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So let's answer letter A. 1, 7, 17, 31. First thing you have to do is to bring down. Tapos get the first difference, second difference. Alright? So 1 and 7. 7 minus 1, that is 6. 17 minus 7, that is 10. 31 minus 17, that is 14. Second difference. 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 10, that is 4. Next, etong 4 na yan. So, etong 4, i-divide natin sa 2. Diba yun yung process? After the second difference, divide mo lagi sa 2. And 4 divide 2, that is 2. Dito natin idudugtong yung n squared. Tama? Then check natin. Gamit yung kung ilang terms ito. So again, sabi ko pwede mong i-check kahit 3 lang. Pero sa atin, gawin natin 4. Anyway, 4 lang naman yan. Pero kapag napakadami ng numbers, 3 lang. Okay na yun. 2 times 1 squared is equal to 2 times 1. That's 2. Alright, so pinilitan ko lang ng 1 yung n. N is equal to 2. 2 times 2 squared is equal to 2 times 4, 8. Paano naman kung n ay 3? Gawin mong 3 yon. 2 times 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9. That is 18. Paano naman kapag 4? 2 times 4 squared, 4 po ito ha, hindi yan 9. 4 squared is 16. 2 times 16, the answer would be 32. Alright. Now, hindi pa magkamukha yung number sa sequence saka yung number dito. Gawa natin ng paraan. Alright. First column, second column. Sa second column, ilagay mo yung mga numbers para i-compare natin kung anong gagawin. 17, 31. Ayan. So, kitang-kita na kung anong nangyayari. Nagbabawas siya ng isa. Tama? Nagma-minus 1 siya, di ba? 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 18 minus 1 is 17. Then, 32 minus 1 is 31. So, therefore, ang gagawin mo lang dito sa ating nakuha kanina, maminusin mo lang ng 1. And ito na yung lalabas sa ating general formula or general nth term. Right, so final answer would be a sub n is equal to 2n squared minus 1. And this is now the final answer. Checking natin. Okay. So, since 4 yung terms, so check natin yung 4. Ayan. So, palitan ng 1 for a sub 1. Ito muna, 1 times 2 or 2 times 1, that is 2, minus 1, that would become 1. A sub 2, magiging to lahat ng n. 2 squared muna, that's 2 times 4, tas minus 1, kopya lang. 8 minus 1, that would become 7. Lahat ng n magiging 3 for a sub 3. Ayan. So, ito muna, 3 squared is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Minus 1, that will become 17. Last one, a sub 4 is 4 squared, 16 yan. 2 times 16. 32 minus 1. That's 1. Alright. Let's have letter B. 15, 30, 55, 90. Ayan. First and second differences. Ito ay 15. Ito ay 25. Ito ay 35. Tama po ba? Mina-minus lang yon pag ganon. Minus pa, isa pa. 25 minus 15, the answer is 10. 35 minus 25, the answer is 10. Tapos yung 10, di-divide natin sa 2. The answer is 5. Dugtungan mo ng n squared. Then check natin. Sige nga. Check natin yung n sub 1. Ay, n is equal to 1. So, 5, 1 squared. That is 5 times 1, 5. N is equal to 2. 5, 2 yung magiging loob squared is equal to 5 times 4. That would become 20. N is equal to 3. 5 times 3 squared is equal to 5 times 9. 3 times 3 on 45. N is equal to 4. 5 times 4 squared. 5 times 16. That's 4 times 4. 80. Ayan. Since hindi pa lumabas yung mga numbers sa sequence natin, So, lagay natin sa second column yung 15, 30, 55, 90. Anong gagawin natin para lumabas yung 15, yung 30, yung 55, yung 90 na dapat common sa lahat? Mag-plus po tayo ng 10. Very good. Alright. So, ibig sabihin, yung plus 10, idudugtong mo lang dito. Magiging siyang 5n squared plus 10. To formally have our final answer, A7 is equal to 5n squared plus 10. This is now the final answer. Ayan. So, congratulations kung nakuha mo yan. For sure, nakuha mo yung dalawa. And let me know sa comment section natin for me to congratulate you. Alright? So, checking pa tayo, di pa tayo tapos. Masyado lang tayong natuwa. So, checking, baka mamaya mali pala. Okay. A sub 1 hanggang A sub 4. Lahat ng n magiging 1. Ayan. Again, ito, binabago lang natin in terms dito sa hinahanap. So, nagiging 1 lang yan. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 1 yon. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 10 is 15. Check. A sub 2. Lahat ng n magiging 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 10 is 30. Check. A sub 3. 3 squared muna. 9. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus 10 is 55. Check. Last one. 4 squared is 16. 5 times 16 is 80. Plus 10 is 90. Check. Ayan. So, congratulations kung nakuha mo yung dalawang YouMore drill natin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot today. And I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned and enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification bell. Alright. And also, let me remind you that you deserve more. You can learn more. And you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.